Chapter 3, Big Idea Question. What can you observe about the moon? The moon is far away from Earth, but it's our closest neighbor in space. With a telescope, you can see many details of the moon that you can't see with your own eyes. A telescope makes things look bigger and closer. A telescope is one way you can learn about the moon. The moon's surface. The moon is a huge rocky ball that circles Earth. The moon has large dents or craters. The craters were made when rocks smashed into the moon. The moon also has high mountains and flat areas. A telescope is one way to help you see these craters, mountains, and flat areas on the moon. The moon seems to move. Like the sun, the moon seems to rise, move across the sky, and set. There, the moon looks low in the sky. And here, the moon looks high in the sky. At night, draw where the moon and stars are. Later, stand in the same place and draw the moon and stars again. The moon will appear a little to the west. The moon seems to change. The shape of the moon seems to change. It may look like a banana or a circle. Sometimes you can't see the moon at all, but its shape doesn't change. It's always a sphere. A sphere is round like a ball. Here are the phases of the moon. New moon, the moon is dark. Crescent moon, this is a banana shape. First quarter moon, the shape is a half circle. Gibbous moon, the shape is almost a circle. Full moon, the shape is a circle. Gibbous moon, this shape is almost a circle. Last quarter moon, this shape is a half circle. And crescent moon, this shape is a banana shape. It takes the moon about 4 weeks to go through its phases. During those weeks, the sun shines on different parts of the moon. We see the shape of the lighted part of the moon. This is called a phase. Conclusion. Searching the sky. You can see the sun during the day and the stars at night. Sometimes you can see the moon at night and sometimes during the day. The sun lights the sky during the day. Its light warms Earth. The sun makes life possible. You can use a telescope to see craters, mountains, and flat areas on the moon. You can see how the moon goes through its phases. Here's the moon. Glossary. A crater. A crater is a dent on the moon's surface. You can use a telescope to see craters on the moon. Here's a crater. Moon. The moon is the brightest object in the night sky. Phase. A phase is how the moon looks from the Earth. Shadow. A shadow is a dark shape made from an object blocks light. Star. A star is an object in the sky that gives off light. The sun is the star that is nearest to Earth. A telescope is a tool that makes objects in the sky look bigger and closer. And there's an index. Tells you what page to find all the important information. And that's the end. Hope you learned a lot about the sun, the planets, and the moon. And the sun, the stars, and the moon.